Flamingos. Hey, so we've been talking about electricity today. We read Charged Up, and we learned a lot about how electricity is made in power plants using a generator, and we have this little mini generator where we use motion to turn the light on, and the electricity flows through these wires, right? My turning the rod here generates the power to turn the light on. We learned about power plants and generators and how electricity is made and how it gets to us through the wires on the pylons, right? And then in Oscar and the Bird, a book about electricity, we learned a little bit about circuits. We were introduced to a circuit. So we saw that this circuit here, the wires are connected to the battery, the positive and negative ends of the battery, and they flow to the windshield wiper, which receives the power, and it can go back and forth, back and forth. If a switch is off, the power can't flow through the wire to the windshield wiper, and it won't turn on. So this is called a circuit. A circuit is, part of it is connected to the power, and part of it is connected to the thing that receives the power. And if there's a break in the circuit, the power can't flow. So make your hand into a circle. Pretend your hand is a circuit. If the circuit is broken, the power can't flow. Let's look here at another example of a circuit. Got the pacifier in the way. We have, well, this isn't an electric circuit, but this is going to illustrate the concept of a circuit. So here we have the train track, and the train goes around and around and around and around and around and around and around the train track, right? But if, you know what we could do too? We could show the magnets repelling each other to make the train, the caboose is gonna chase the engine around the train track. See, the magnets never meet, but they chase and chase and chase to go around. Okay, but what happens if there's a break in the track? Say here. Look, the train can't go around the track. So it breaks the circuit. We break the track, we break the circuit. So switches can also break the circuit like it does here. Let's look real quick. Let's look. So here, you see I have batteries, 2 batteries in this little battery pack here. And then I have them connected to wires. And right here is a little tiny light bulb. And this silver part here is a switch. So right now the circuit is open. The switch is off and the circuit is open. But when I turn the switch and close the circuit, energy flows from the battery to the wires and it lights the light bulb. See that? Open and shut. Open, shut. The circuit is open. Now the circuit is closed and energy can flow. We are going to make a circuit in the next video using a potato, and we're also going to look at the circuit breaker in my house. And I'm going to show you the switches that turn on the power and off the power. And we'll bring our little trusty light bulb switch too.